Can ChatGPT be used to plan a 30-year-old birthday, or is it just a scam? Let's find out here. First of all, I'm always using ChatGPT version 4, the paid version, and I'm using that because I see it as so much better than the free version. I've used the free version a lot, but I paid for it now because I really see the difference. It goes so much more in depth of what you ask it for, and you can ask much deeper questions and get much better results on that. So first of all, I ask it to plan a party for my 30-year-old birthday, and give me two options of the theme of the party. I needed to change something in the keyboard because I'm from Denmark, so I have a Danish keyboard as well. Here in ChatGPT, I actually record everything instead of typing it because it's so much faster, and I will recommend that for you too. So let's go. I say that I need ChatGPT needs to act like a party planner for the 30-year-old birthday, and need to come up with 3 different ideas about the party. There will be 20 participants, and it can be inside and out. You can see it when I ask on a mic and not typing it, there will come some errors, but it works normally. You can see now there comes one idea of the party. There's a menu, there's songs, because I ask about the songs and such as well, and then the retro theme, of course, and then a tropical lava. You can see you have now been here for about 2 minutes, and in 2 minutes you actually have already outlined the themes. Now I ask it for more. I say I have a budget of $2,000, and I want it to... It's in Copenhagen, the party, and I want it to find out if it's possible to have the food made and a waiter for the event. And then it does this. It actually says it's okay, but it needs to refine a bit, and it does that immediately. It's fast and easy. Do it. Just ask the right questions every time. It's you that decides if the questions is great or not, and especially the answers will tell you if you ask the right questions here. You can see the entertainment come with that, and the budget. It just puts it all in that like I asked it to. And now I ask it for making me a list of what the things I should buy. Here I could have asked it more specifically. Will you make a detailed list of what I should buy? Here it puts it just a bit too wide, but it's okay. I know now that next time I will do this. This is only a test, of course, and it also says what kind of supermarkets I could use. But as I said, this is only a test to see if it actually can do it, and I'm sure, and I've tried to ask it much more in depth, and I will do that in these 30 days. So be sure to follow this channel and see what ChatGPT can do for us. If you have any questions, just ask. I will test it or answer it as good as possible for you.